everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to log into Athena Health account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.athenahealth.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Athena Health. Athena Health is a private American company that provides network-enabled services for healthcare and point-of-care mobile apps in the United States. To log into your online account, go and click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner. This will take you to the login area. Start by entering your username in the first text field and head over to the password box. Type in the password for your account. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering all of your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your Athena Health account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.